Welcome to SiteForces, your all-in-one platform to simplify workforce management. Let's get started with your first setup. Begin by clicking on Register. Enter your name, email, phone number, and password, then hit Register. You'll instantly receive an OTP on your registered email. Verify the code, and you're ready for the next step. And click Create Company. Next, it's time to activate your account by purchasing a subscription. Go to the plan section, choose the one that fits your team, and complete the payment securely. Your subscription activates instantly, unlocking all core SiteForces features. That's it. You've successfully registered, set up your company, and activated your account. You're now ready to manage attendance and compliance, all from one powerful dashboard. Welcome aboard SiteForces, where managing your workforce becomes effortless.